buying online. Venmo Purchase Protection can save your purchase if things go wrong. It covers eligible items that don't arrive damaged, or are materially different. Think missing packages, broken products, or sellers who misrepresent items. To be covered, pay with Venmo and file within the policy timeframe. Save receipts, messages, photos, and shipping info. These support your claim. After filing, Venmo reviews claims. Expect updates within days and decisions in weeks. Open the Venmo app, find the transaction, and tap Get Help or Purchase Protection. Provide clear details and attach photos, receipts, and chat history when prompted. Respond quickly to any Venmo requests to help speed up the review. Tip: keep original packaging, document damage immediately, and save delivery tracking details. Remember, not all purchases qualify. Check Venmo's purchase protection policy and seller terms. Enable purchase protection, file claims promptly, and review Venmo policies to protect your purchases today.